Hi, today I am going to discuss about a common problem of electric supply faults and also provide you a solution for that. The most common problem of electric supply is under voltage and over voltage, which burn our home appliances like AC, fridge, TV, laptops, etc. And the cost of repairing these items costs us up to 15 to 20,000. And for the protection of our electronic devices, what should we use? Do you have any idea? I guess most of you think about stabilizers. But is that enough? Does it provide you complete safety with over voltage and under voltage? As seen in many cases, stabilizers also burn out due to over voltage. Stabilizers works up to 300 voltage. Whenever above 300 voltage is provided to stabilizers, they also burn out. And during under voltage condition, consumption of current increases, which cause in abnormal heating of our device and also damage our device. Operating in under voltage condition for a long time of period can reduce the life of equipment. So for all these problems, we have a solution for you, that is Enersol Home Protector. Let's have a look on that. Here we take a Enersol Home Protector and a variac to vary our voltage. With the help of variac, we can create over voltage and under voltage condition. And in the output of home protector, we connected a Enersol voltmeter. Now we will provide supply to our home protector. Here POD is the time taken by home protector. It is set default by 10 seconds. As you see, after 10 seconds, the output supply is provided to our voltmeter. So firstly, we are going to check the over voltage condition. For that, we have to increase our voltage. Now I increase the voltage. As voltage goes above the mentioned voltage in the home protector, our output supply cuts off. And again, when we decrease the voltage to the normal condition, let's check. Now the voltage is normal and we see here the delay of 10 seconds happens. After 10 seconds, it again provides supply to the output. Now we check the condition of under voltage. So we decrease our voltage and here under voltage condition is created and our output supply is cut off. Now we will again increase our voltage to the normal condition. After normal condition, the delay of few seconds happens and again our power supply is provided to the output as you see in the video.